Hello traders, welcome back to the Chart Whisperer. I am Tepo, back again with another analysis video. Please do me a favor, hit the like button, subscribe, and make sure you click the link in the description before you even go any further, because I'll be giving out updates as and when I take positions. So make sure you do that so that you can follow with me. And without wasting any further time, let's go on to today's analysis. And we will begin with the Dow Jones as per normal. It seems like they're leaving me behind. Dow Jones had completed 3 levels of rise as far as I'm concerned. And then they gave us 1 level of drop yesterday using CPI to accomplish that, a bit of consolidation during the Asian session. So I expect them to continue in the bearish direction, which looks like they're already on top of that. Let's just go down to the 15 minutes. Looking to take an entry right here. It's a sweet entry zone. If price decides to come up there, I want a stop hunt high drop. Again, I don't think price wants to tamper too much with this region. I'm pretty sure there's some liquidity there, so I want to see them come up here, give me a nice stop hunt and a reversal pattern. I'm gonna take them for short for sure. There isn't any points of interest on the other side. I can't take any continuation trades, so just going to rely on the stop hunt there. I'll have my alerts set up here, and then I'll monitor how price behaves here, see how it goes. Moving over to NASDAQ, similar, almost the same type of thing. We've got 3 levels of rise here. Oh, I didn't actually mark that, but I do confirm that there is a 3rd level of rise happening here, so I expect them to reverse. I can't say for sure if this is the high of the week, because it is basically 1 leg, but I'll monitor that. So I'm still expecting them to drop. I look at this as 1 level, well, level 3 behavior at least. So they're either going to continue straight down here, or they're going to come up there to give us a 2nd leg for that. So I don't expect that too much, especially because it's Thursday today and I'm expecting the midweek reversal. So I am looking for short positions. I see what they're doing here, but this is not a good enough point of interest for me. Yeah, it's a little bit too close. It's too clustered here. All this movement does not convince me that there's actually liquidity trapped here. So if I'm to take a trade, I want to see them do a stop hunt high to last week's high, and then definitely give me 2-legged setup of some sort. High probability trade, as you know, it's always the name of the game. Take a short position from here, look to take it down for about 2 levels and see how that goes. Maybe between today and tomorrow, really. Over to the pound. I will be lying if I said I'm not completely confused here. 2 levels of drop. It's kind of been choppy, this area. We had 3 levels of rise. They chopped here for a while. They gave us 2 short levels of drop before reversing yesterday, so I'm not quite sure, to be completely honest. I expect them to go down, but I wouldn't put my money behind that, so I'm just going to monitor what price does and see if they decide to complete the cycle here. EURUSD gave me 2 levels of rise, and as we speak they are completing the 3rd level of rise. As you see there, it's too late for me to do anything about it. They should be hitting the ADR high anytime now. I would have liked to go long from last week's high, but that's neither here nor there, because you can see that's it for the move. Yeah, I'll start looking for reversals of the trend maybe tomorrow, most likely Monday, but yeah, completely staying out here. AUDUSD, 2 levels of rise. Let me just confirm that before. Yeah, 2 levels of rise, and they came back with a little pullback to the Mayo. Nothing abnormal there. I expect to see them go up and rise to complete this level. So basically I want to see them break last week and last month's highs, and give us a good full ADR move to the upside, and then I start looking for reversal patterns. But for now, let's just see if there's anything I can take in terms of a trade. Doesn't look like it. Yesterday's low is not in the picture, and there isn't any continuation trades, so day off there on AUDUSD. Over to USDCAD, 2 levels of rise prior. I took a short position in yesterday, used basically CPI as a catalyst for the move, but it was a 2-legged setup right here. Took the trade. It's actually in the group, so again, make sure you click that link, join that group. Excuse me there. Make sure you hit that link, join that group, and so you can follow, because I did give narration as things were happening. I'm out of this position. That's because I'm a day trader. I don't like to hold overnight, so I'm out here. But nonetheless, I still expect to go down with them again for one more level, because I did not complete the level. For me, I'll go down to 15 minutes, see if we can't get anything there. Sharp movements though. Maybe a continuation here. Actually, let's see. Not yet sold. Well, it's not that I'm not sold. It's not a continuation pattern as far as I'm concerned. So I am open to only taking a reversal trade of last month's high again. So if they hit that high again, I'm taking them with me, and then we're gonna go down for one more level before we reverse price. Otherwise, I'll just be a spectator. So, but nonetheless, my alerts will be right there by last month's high. Dollar CAD, nice movement. Let's just see in terms of level count. 1, 2. They are completing their third level of drop. Nice movement yesterday. However, no trading opportunities on my side. Let's see today. I'm happy to go short, and that would be reasonable for me to do so at last month's high. Actually, that would be a good a point of interest for me. Otherwise, I'll be staying firmly out of this trade if they don't come and stop hunt here. And finally, S&P 500 has also reversed a little bit. Again, I can't say for sure if this is going to be the high of the week, the peak formation I will be trading away from, but it could be if it's a one leg setup. So I still expect them to drop nonetheless. The only question is whether or not they'll come back all the way up here, or if they'll give us a stop hunt of some sort before that, or they could even just continue actually. But let's go to the 15 minutes to where it actually matters. I am happy to take a short position at last week's high. Looks like they kind of tapped it during the London trap session, so I want to see them come hit this high again rather aggressively, but close below it. Then I'll definitely go short there to complete well, not complete, sorry, to get one ADR worth of a move there for a short, and then we'll see if we can get another opportunity to do so tomorrow for the last another week. But yeah, we'll see if that actually shapes up. And that's the end of today's analysis.